Yes, Mr. Sarthak. First question.
1a will be 7 raised to power 5.
7 raised to power 5. Okay. What will be the base and what is the exponent?
The base is 7 and the exponent is 5.
Shabash. B part.
Minus 11 raised to power 3.
Shabash. What is the base?
Minus 11 is the base and 3 is the exponent.
Shabash. C part.
6 raised to power 4. 6 is the base and 4 is the exponent.
Shabash. D part.
19 raised to power 5. 19 is the base and 5 is the exponent.
It will be minus 19 raised to power 5.
Yes.
So minus 19 is the base and 5 is the exponent. Okay. Question number 2. A part.
64.
4 into 4 into 4 is 64. Okay. P part.
2401.
So 5 raised to 6, 5 5 is 25, 125, 125 into 125. The final answer would be, Mr. Sarthak? Have you calculated?
3125.
3125. Okay. C part.
Minus 24.
Minus 8 at the 64. 64 into 8. 8 for the 32, 8 is the 48. 512 minus 512. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
D part.
2401.
7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 49 into 49. 2401. Okay. Nice. Question number 3.
The factors of 256 are 2 raised to the power 8.
How did you do this?
I prime factorized 256.
Shabash. 2 4 the 2 2 the 2 1 the. So this will be 2 raised to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 raised to 8. Correct. Very nice. We'll do one more question from this. 3125. Mr. Sarthak.
So it will be 5 raised to power 5.
Okay. So 5 6 the 30, 5 to the 10, 5 5 the 25, 5 1 the 2 the 5 the 5 2 the 5 the 5 5 the 5 1 the. So it will be 5 raised to power 5. Correct. Very nice. Okay. Question number 4. A part.
So just a second. The 3 upon 4 is bigger. 3 raised to power 4 is bigger.
So 5 have the 25. And 3 raised to power 4 is 3, 9, 27, 81. So this is bigger. Very nice. C part, which will be the bigger number?
So why not B?
I'm sorry. You want to discuss B?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. B.
So 2 raised to power 10.
Okay. So this will be 1000. And 2 raised to power 10 would be 1024.
Yes, sir.
So this would be bigger. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. C part.
Minus 125 and minus 32. So minus 32 is bigger.
2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So what will be the bigger number?
Minus 32.
Shabash. D part. Minus 4 raised to power 4. So minus 7 square would be 49. And this would be 4 for the 16, 64, 64 into 4, 256. So this will be bigger. Sarthak, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Question 5th is similar. Question 6th. Okay. 436. Prime vectors.
So I'll just so I didn't understand question 6.
Okay. So you need to write the prime factors. So for example, okay, let us do a simple question. So for example, I want to write the prime factors of 84. So I'll divide by the prime numbers. Any doubt?
No, sir.
84 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. And this can be written as 2 square into 3 into 7. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. You will be able to do B, C, D.
Yes, sir.
Have you done question number 7?
So I did the B, C, and D part.
Okay. What is the answer for? A is 2 raised to power 1. That is it.
So, but powers of
Power would be 1.
okay, sir.
Exponent is also called power. They are the same. So 5 and 2 can be written as 2 raised to power
256.
No, you need to write the factors of 5 and 2. So 5 and 2, I'll have to find the factors of 5 and 2. So 2 the 4, 2 5 the 6 the 2 1 the 2 2 the 1 second, I'll make some space. 5 and 2.
So I did the question wrong. I thought that the power had to be 2.
Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
You need to write this as powers of 2. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this 8 would be 2 4 the 2 2 the, so again there will be 3 2's here. So 5 and 2 would be equal to 2 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this would be 2 raised to power 9. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Have you done question number 8?
No, sir. This also I did wrong because it's the same as.
Would you be able to do now?
Yes, I do.
Have you done question number 9?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll discuss this. What is the answer for this?
9801.
9801. 3 raised to power 4 is 3 9 27 81. 11 square is 121. So this would be 81 into 121. Sarthak, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So this would be 8 to the 16. Sarthak, is the answer correct? So Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. B part. What would be the answer?
So -7 into -7 raised to power 2 is minus and 14, and into only 1, so minus, so it will be -14.
-7 square. -7 square would be 49. Why? Because it is -7 into -7. Minus into minus would become plus. And 7 into 7 would be 49. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
-1 raised to power 201. Because this is an odd number, this would be -1. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So this is 49. This is -1. Therefore, answer would be -49. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
B part. Were you able to do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the answer?
So 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0.
Which will be the greater number? This is greater or this is greater?
So the right one.
The right one. Of course, this would be greater because it has 15 zeros.
So
Have you?
7 and the other one is 6.
Yeah. See, this has 10 zeros. This has 15 zeros. So this would be greater. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Because this has 15 zeros. Which one would be greater, Mr. Sarthak?
So the right one.
Right one is greater. Why? Because this has 15 zeros. So this number would be like 2.5 into, there would be 15 zeros, 15 zeros. So the right number will become bigger. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.